In your opinion, how much money do you think our channel's followers have earned so far? Let's examine this. As the Tionmir YouTube channel, we have been making videos for about 10 months now. When we made our old videos, the value of Bitcoin was $25,000. At that time, we were anticipating the approval of Bitcoin spot ETFs. And we were right. The current value of Bitcoin is approximately $68,000. When we first started making our videos, Ethereum was around $1,500. Now, Ethereum's value is approximately $3,500. In the two leading cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, we have roughly doubled our money. In addition to these, when we made the Chain GPT video, the token's value was 13 cents. Its current value is 47 cents. Those who participated in the pre-sale by watching my Nibiru video increased their assets tenfold. Those who implemented what I discussed in my Mina video are encountering profitable results. Those who followed the steps in my Pith video not only doubled their Pith assets, but also won many airdrops. Those who bought Thala after watching my Thala video tripled their assets. Many people entered the world of airdrops and rewards through my Galaxy video. Those who watched my Backpack video found a chance to make gains early on. Those who watched my Owl2 video had the chance to earn points from their transactions. Those who watched my Eigenlayer airdrop video won rewards. There are many award-winning videos on my channel. Many of the things I talk about in these videos are still active. There are many examples like this. We have many platforms where we make profits, and we share the pre-sales and airdrops we see potential in with you. In crypto, opportunities never end. The award-winning videos on my channel are still active. In my opinion, the two most important videos on my channel are these two videos. So, what's next? For those who want to ask this question, my answer is, next up is Blast. Blast will distribute airdrop rewards to users in May. This reward could be one of the most important rewards in airdrop history. It's not too late to join Blast because you still have the chance to multiply your points. When I first told you about Blast in my video, I didn't even have 100 points, but now I have 4,000 points, and I'm in the top 80,000 in the rankings, and every hour I'm jumping about 500 places higher. If you want to participate in Blast, you can use my referral code. You can also use the link in the video description. If you don't know what to do in the Blast network, watch my video carefully. Multiplier boxes will open on April 2nd, and it's really hard to predict what will happen in terms of earnings. But remember, I'm not giving you any guarantees or advice while doing this. I'm telling you about opportunities on my channel. But I'm not giving you investment advice. Please do your own research. Also, be careful of scammers on Twitter, Discord, Telegram, or other platforms who mimic project teams' names. We are not responsible for any wallet connections or projects. We only tell about opportunities we foresee by doing our own research. Do your own research and make your own decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications to stay informed about future opportunities. See you in the next video.